Look at the sky and clouds. Have you ever thought that the sky and even the weather, with such advanced human technology, might not be natural anymore, but artificial? Today, our deep understanding of nature's laws allows us to influence the weather. In China, water shortages in agriculture lead to chemicals being released into the sky to create ice crystals and induce rain. Hundreds of billions of tons of rainwater have been produced this way. In 2009, Chinese scientists, long focused on weather manipulation, managed to cause a severe snowstorm. They had sprayed chemicals again, but the extent only became clear to them later. In Russia, planes are used on the anniversary of the victory over Germany to prevent any rain from falling that day. That's only a fraction of the weather experiments we're permitted to know. But of course, the world is not limited to just what the media reports. What would the world be without secrets? In my 5th video, I talked about strange noises that could be heard all over the world. Many suspect these are weather experiments. If it's so easy to manipulate the weather temporarily, like in China, then there will also be more profound experiments about it. In everyday life, especially look at the contrails that airplanes leave behind. Sometimes you're in a bad mood for no reason, and you associate it with the weather. Natural contrails from airplanes usually dissipate quickly, but most contrails, the so-called chemtrails, spread out for hours and form new types of clouds. This conspiracy has existed since the 1990s. There are repeated reports that airplanes don't just fly by, but instead just fly around in a specific area. Many videos show airplanes making intermittent, spreading contrails instead of continuous ones. Many people also report spider web-like threads up to 15 meters long falling from the sky from airplanes which stick to everything or dissolve when you pick them up. Have observed this. What is being sprayed on people? Do they just want cloudier skies? One thing is certain, a person's mood can definitely be influenced by a cloudy atmosphere. But many even believe that these spider webs cause itching and that these chemtrails make us sick and infertile. Severe earthquakes can even be triggered by the combination of chemtrail effects with scalar waves. The High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, or High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program for short, is an American research program in Alaska that studies the effects of electromagnetic waves on the ionosphere. They are often blamed for major tragic earthquakes, tsunamis. Conspiracy theorists refer to them as weather makers. Just imagine a world where the weather is controlled by humans. For war and political reasons, artificial earthquakes could be useful. These earthquake weapons could be used as silent warfare. The last point in my 5th video, where eerie noises could be heard all over the world, is often associated with High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program. They are experimenting with our ionosphere all the time, and we don't know what's coming our way. I want to end this interesting and frightening conspiracy theory with a quote from the former President of the United States. To control space means to control the world. From space we possess dominion. Over the weather we can cause droughts and floods, change the tides and raise sea levels, redirect the Gulf Stream and cool the climate. There is something more important than the ultimate weapon, and that is ultimate power. Total control over the Earth somewhere from space.